Stock up beer for the weekend rush with this back bar cooler from Motac. The durable stainless steel top is the perfect spot to slice garnishes, blend, and prepare cocktails, and the black vinyl exterior is corrosion resistant to stand up to the demands of a busy bar. The self-closing doors are equipped with locks to secure product after hours, and the digital display allows staff to monitor temperatures at a glance. Beer bottles and cans are stocked on 4 adjustable shelves and illuminated by LED lights for quick retrieval. Call today or visit us online at ktom.com to learn more and to order a Motac back bar cooler for your operation today.